Are you ready to get moving without leaving your house? Have you ever wondered what cool new ways people are staying fit at home? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're going to talk about the top 5 fitness trends that are making waves in home workouts. These aren't just any old exercises, they're fun, they work your whole body, and best of all, you can do them right in your living room. But before we dive in, let's talk about why working out at home is so great. You don't need to travel anywhere, you can wear whatever you want, and you can fit your workout into your schedule whenever it's most convenient for you. Plus, you don't have to feel shy about trying new things, it's just you in your own space. Trend 1. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. Let's kick things off with a bang. Our first trend is called high-intensity interval training, or HIIT for short. Now, that might sound fancy, but it's pretty simple. HIIT is all about doing short bursts of really hard work, followed by quick rest periods. Imagine you're a rocket ship. You blast off super fast for a little bit, then you slow down to catch your breath. Then you blast off again. That's what HIIT is like. You might do jumping jacks as fast as you can for 30 seconds, then rest for 10 seconds. Then you might do squats quickly for 30 seconds, and rest again. The cool thing about HIIT is that it gets your heart pumping fast and helps you burn a lot of energy in a short time. Plus, it's never boring because you're always changing what you're doing. You can mix in all sorts of exercises like push-ups, knee raises, or even dance moves. One of the best parts? You don't need any fancy equipment. Just your body and some space to move around. So whether you're in a tiny apartment or a big house, you can join in on this fitness trend. Here's a fun fact, HIIT workouts can keep your body burning energy even after you've finished exercising. It's like your body is so excited from all the movement that it keeps working hard even when you're resting. This is called the afterburn effect, and it's one reason why HIIT is so popular. Trend 2, Yoga Fusion. Next up, we have something a little calmer but still super fun. It's called Yoga Fusion. Now, you might have heard of yoga before, it's those stretchy, bendy poses that help you relax and get stronger. But Yoga Fusion takes regular yoga and mixes it up with other types of exercise. Think of it like making a smoothie. You start with yoga as your base, then you add in bits of other workouts. You might do some yoga poses, then add in some push-ups. Or you could do a yoga stretch, then do some jumping jacks. It's like a fitness party where everyone's invited. Yoga Fusion is great because it helps you become more flexible, that means you can bend and stretch easier, while also making your muscles stronger. And the best part? It's super relaxing too. After a Yoga Fusion workout, you'll feel strong and calm at the same time. You don't need much for Yoga Fusion either. A soft mat or towel on the floor is helpful, but not necessary. You can even do it in your pajamas if you want. It's a perfect way to start your day or wind down in the evening. One cool thing about Yoga Fusion is that it can help improve your balance and coordination. As you move from one pose to another or mix in other exercises, you're teaching your body to stay steady and controlled. This can help you in lots of other activities, like sports or even just walking on a slippery sidewalk. Trend 3, Dance Workouts. Alright, are you ready to boogie? Our third trend is all about dancing. That's right, dance workouts are becoming super popular for home fitness, and it's easy to see why. After all, who doesn't love to dance? Dance workouts are exactly what they sound like, you dance to music, but in a way that really gets your body moving and your heart pumping. It could be hip-hop, salsa, or even ballet-inspired moves. The best part is, you don't have to be a great dancer to do these workouts. It's all about having fun and moving your body. When you do a dance workout, you're exercising your whole body without even realizing it. Your legs get stronger from all the stepping and jumping. Your arms get a workout from all the fun dance moves. And your middle section, we call that your core, gets stronger from all the twisting and turning. Plus, dance workouts are just plain fun. You can put on your favorite music and just let loose. It's like having a dance party in your living room, but you're getting fit at the same time. How cool is that? You don't need any special equipment for dance workouts. Just clear some space, put on some music, and start moving. You can find lots of dance workout videos online to follow along with. Or, you can just put on your favorite songs and make up your own moves. There's no wrong way to do it. Trend 4, Bodyweight Training. Now, let's talk about our fourth trend, bodyweight training. This one might sound a bit strange. Are we lifting bodies? Nope. Bodyweight training just means using your own body as the workout equipment. It's like having a gym that you carry with you all the time. In bodyweight training, you do exercises that use your own weight to make your muscles stronger. Things like push-ups, where you're pushing your body up from the ground. Or squats, where you're lowering your body down and back up again. There are tons of different bodyweight exercises you can do. The great thing about bodyweight training is that you can do it anywhere, anytime. You don't need any special equipment or a lot of space. You can do it in your bedroom, in the backyard, or even in a hotel room if you're on vacation. Bodyweight training is awesome because it helps you get stronger all over. Your arms get stronger from exercises like push-ups. Your legs get stronger from exercises like squats and lunges. And your middle section gets stronger from exercises like planks. Here's something cool about bodyweight training: it can help improve your balance and coordination too. When you're doing exercises like lunges or one-legged squats, you're teaching your body how to stay steady and balanced. This can help you in lots of other activities, like playing sports or even just walking on an uneven surface. So you're not just getting stronger, you're also becoming more graceful and steady on your feet. Trend 5, Online Fitness Classes. Last but definitely not least, we have online fitness classes. Now, this might not sound like a new idea. After all, we've had exercise videos for a long time. But online fitness classes are different and super exciting. With online fitness classes, you can join a live class with a real teacher, right from your living room. It's like being in a gym class, but you're at home in your comfy clothes. You can see the teacher on your computer or TV screen, and sometimes they can even see you and give you tips. These classes can be all sorts of different workouts. You might join a yoga class one day, a dance class the next, and a strength training class after that. Some classes use equipment like weights or resistance bands, but many just use your body weight. The cool thing about online classes is that you're not exercising alone. You're part of a group, even if that group is spread out all over the world. This can make working out more fun and can help you stay motivated. Another great thing about online classes is that you can find one that fits your schedule. Whether you like to exercise in the morning, afternoon, or evening, there's probably a class happening at that time. And if you miss a live class, many places let you watch a recording later. You don't need much to join online classes. A computer, tablet, or smart TV that can connect to the internet is all you really need. Some comfortable clothes and a little bit of space to move around in your home, and you're all set. One of the best things about online fitness classes is that you can try out lots of different types of exercise without having to commit to a gym membership or buy a bunch of equipment. It's like having a buffet of fitness options right at your fingertips. You might discover a new type of workout that you love, or find an amazing instructor who motivates you. The variety keeps things interesting and can help you stay excited about exercising. Wow, we've covered a lot of ground today. We've talked about Hiit for quick, powerful workouts. We've explored yoga fusion for flexibility and strength. We've grooved with dance workouts for fun fitness. We've pumped up with bodyweight training that you can do anywhere. And we've connected with online fitness classes that bring the gym to your living room. The best part about all these trends? You can mix and match them to keep your workouts fun and exciting. Maybe you do a Hiit workout one day, an online yoga class the next, and a dance party on the weekend. The possibilities are endless. Remember, the most important thing is to find ways to move your body that you enjoy. When exercise is fun, you're more likely to keep doing it. And that's what matters, staying active and healthy in a way that works for you. So, which of these trends are you excited to try? Maybe you'll discover a new favorite way to work out. Thanks for joining me today on this fitness journey. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about staying fit and healthy at home, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell too, so you never miss out on our latest fitness tips and trends.